Want your home to look festive, cozy, and aesthetic this Christmas without spending a fortune? Looking for Target Christmas decoration ideas that are trendy, affordable, and easy to DIY? Need inspiration for ornaments, garlands, tree toppers, wreaths, outdoor decor, or complete Target holiday home decorating ideas? Or maybe you're searching for Target Christmas lights ideas, flock trees, or small space setups that feel magical. Then stay tuned, because today we're diving into 2025 DIY Target Christmas decoration ideas packed with ornaments, garlands, tree styling, affordable hacks, and stunning holiday inspiration for every room of your home. Welcome to Decor Design Ideas. In today's video, we're exploring Target Christmas decoration ideas to help you style your home beautifully this holiday season. From Target Christmas lights ideas, ornaments, tree toppers, and flocked Christmas trees, to garlands, wreaths, and cozy Target holiday home decor, you'll find inspiration for every style and budget. Whether you want indoor magic or outdoor charm, these Target Christmas decorating ideas will make your home feel festive and aesthetic. Why choose Target for Christmas decorating in 2025? Target's holiday collections are incredibly stylish and budget-friendly, offering modern, rustic, classic, and minimalist options. From ornaments to lights, their decor fits every room and aesthetic, making Target Christmas decoration ideas perfect for any home. What are the best Target Christmas ornaments for 2025? From glass ornaments to neutral woods, matte metals, velvet textures, and novelty pieces, Target Christmas Ornaments Ideas make it easy to create themed trees. Their curated collections help you build a coordinated and aesthetic holiday look effortlessly. Loving these Target finds so far? Hit like and share this video with your holiday decor-loving friends. What Target Christmas tree ideas are trending this year? Target offers flocked trees, slim trees, pre-lit models, and minimalist alpine-style designs. These Target Xmas tree ideas work beautifully in apartments, living rooms, or entryways. Their flocked styles add instant snowy charm. What Target tree topper ideas are unique for 2025? Trending toppers include oversized bows, gold metal stars, rattan tree toppers, and LED starbursts. These Target tree topper ideas add height, sparkle, and personality to any style of Christmas tree. What's your favorite tree topper? Star, bow, or something unique? Tell me in the comments. What Target Christmas garland ideas are easy to recreate? Try layering flocked garlands, wooden bead strands, fairy lights, and eucalyptus garlands for a modern soft look. These Target Christmas garland ideas work for mantels, stairs, tables, or front doors. What are Target Christmas decor ideas for the whole home? Target's home and hearth brands offer pillows, throws, ceramic villages, mini trees, wreaths, and seasonal shelf accents. These Target Christmas decor ideas for home help create a warm, cohesive aesthetic from the living room to the kitchen. Want more holiday ideas? Check the Christmas playlist in the description. What are the best Target Christmas lights ideas? Fairy lights, warm LED strands, globe lights, and curtain lights are all trending. These Target Christmas lights ideas bring magic to mantels, trees, windows, staircases, and outdoor displays. What are some Target outdoor Christmas decorations ideas? From LED pathway stakes to porch lanterns, wreaths, doormats, and outdoor safe garlands, Target outdoor Christmas decorations ideas make entryways feel festive. Add pre-lit outdoor trees for instant curb appeal. Love holiday decor? Make sure to subscribe for weekly Christmas inspiration. What are Target Christmas wreath ideas for 2025? Try flocked wreaths, mixed greenery wreaths, berry wreaths, or minimal eucalyptus designs. Whether you want cozy, elegant, or Scandinavian style, Target Christmas wreath ideas fit every aesthetic. What DIY Target Christmas decoration ideas can I create? Use Target craft supplies to decorate your own ornaments, build custom garlands, and create handmade centerpieces. These DIY Target Christmas decor ideas add a personalized touch and keep your budget low. For more affordable holiday DIYs, check the videos linked in the description. What Target Christmas decorations look most aesthetic in 2025? Think neutral palettes, wood tones, gold metal accents, textured garlands, and velvet bows. These Target Xmas decorations ideas aesthetic create a modern, cozy, Pinterest-worthy Christmas vibe. What Target Christmas trees with lights are worth buying? Target offers pre-lit trees with warm white LEDs, color-changing options, and flocked versions. These Target Christmas trees with lights ideas save time and look stunning right out of the box. What is special about the Target Flocked Christmas Tree? Soft, snowy, and ultra cozy, the Target Flocked Christmas Tree brings winter magic indoors. Pair it with white, champagne, or wooden ornaments for a calming Scandinavian-inspired holiday style. How do I decorate my home with a cohesive Target holiday aesthetic? Choose a color story like warm neutrals, red and white, gold and green, or icy silver. Match garlands, ornaments, wreaths, and pillows for a unified look. These Target holiday home decor ideas make your entire space feel intentional and festive. For matching garland ornaments and wreath ideas, explore our full holiday playlist. How can I decorate affordably using Target this Christmas? Buy ornament bundles, shop early season sales, and mix budget items with a few statement pieces. These Target Christmas decorating ideas on a budget let you create a high-end Christmas look while keeping costs low. And there you have it, over 2025's best DIY Target Christmas decoration ideas, from ornaments and garlands to tree toppers, wreaths, outdoor decor, and full home styling inspiration. Whether you love neutral Scandinavian style, cozy farmhouse vibes, or colorful modern decor, Target makes it easy to bring the Christmas magic home beautifully and affordably. So tell me, which Target decor idea will you try first? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Christmas decorating inspiration. Loving these Target finds? Hit like and share with your holiday decor friends. Star topper or ribbon topper, which one wins for your tree? Tell me below. Find more Christmas decorating ideas in the playlist linked in the description. Subscribe for weekly Christmas decor, DIYs, and home inspiration. Check the description for more Target, Walmart, and holiday decor videos.